To install the SetupVPN extension in Edge, first make sure that you've downloaded or updated to the latest version of Edge, as unfortunately the SetupVPN extension isn't supported by older versions. Then go to the Microsoft Edge add-ons store and search for SetupVPN. Click on it and Get. Add extension, and now it's up and running right here in your browser. Just choose your language, create an account, and register. And be sure to copy this auth code and store it somewhere safe in case you need it later. Since there's no personal information needed to sign up, there's no way to contact you in the event you lose your auth code and can't sign in. Click Let's Start, choose your preferred location, and that's it. You're now surfing the web anonymously with an IP address from your preferred location.